In the quiet corners of an unremarkable town, amidst the familiar rhythms of daily life, a spark ignites within a solitary soul. This spark, a nascent dream, is more than a fleeting desire. It's a profound yearning that resonates deep within. It's a vision of a life lived on their own terms, a path paved with passion and purpose. This dream, so personal and yet so universal, becomes an anchor in the vast sea of existence. It whispers promises of fulfillment, of a life lived in alignment with one's deepest values. Initially, this dream is a fragile thing, carefully guarded and nurtured in secret. The dreamer, hesitant yet hopeful, shares their aspiration with those closest to them: family, friends, mentors. They seek validation, encouragement, a shared belief in the possibilities that lie ahead. But instead of support, they are met with a wave of skepticism, doubt, and even ridicule. Their dream, once a source of excitement and inspiration, is now questioned and belittled. The weight of this rejection is heavy, a burden that threatens to extinguish the flickering flame of hope. The dreamer's confidence wavers as they grapple with the dissonance between their inner conviction and the external negativity. They question their own judgment, their abilities, their right to dream. The once clear path forward becomes shrouded in uncertainty, a labyrinth of doubts and fears. The world, it seems, is not ready for this dream. It prefers the familiar, the predictable, the well-trodden paths. It resists change, innovation, and the audacity of those who dare to envision a different reality. The dreamer, once surrounded by loved ones and trusted advisors, now finds themselves isolated, adrift in a sea of skepticism and conformity. But even in the darkest of nights, a single star can guide the way. And so it is with the dreamer. A glimmer of hope emerges from the depths of despair, a faint whisper that refuses to be silenced. It may be a small victory, a chance encounter with a kindred spirit, or a newfound understanding of their own resilience. Whatever the source, this spark rekindles the dreamer's determination, reminding them of the power and significance of their dream. The road ahead is long and arduous, filled with challenges and setbacks. But the dreamer, armed with newfound resolve, is no longer deterred. They have tasted the bitterness of rejection and emerged stronger, more determined than ever before. The dream, once a fragile ember, has now transformed into an unyielding flame, fueled by the very opposition it has faced. The dreamer grapples with the insidious tendrils of self-doubt. The echoes of discouragement reverberate in their mind, threatening to erode their newfound resolve. The once vibrant vision of the future dims, replaced by a landscape of uncertainty and fear. The dreamer's path, once illuminated by the unwavering light of their passion, now seems to wind through a dark and treacherous forest. In this wilderness of doubt, the dreamer encounters their own inner demons. They wrestle with the fear of failure, the specter of ridicule, and the weight of expectation. The dream, once a source of boundless energy, becomes a heavy burden, a test of their resilience and inner strength. The dreamer's journey is no longer a straightforward pursuit of a goal. It's a battle fought on the terrain of their own psyche. But even in the darkest corners of the mind, a spark of hope can survive. The dreamer, battered but not broken, discovers an inner wellspring of strength. They draw upon past victories, however small, and find solace in the quiet whisper of their own intuition. The dream, though obscured by doubt, continues to exert a pull, a magnetic force that refuses to be ignored. The dreamer's determination, forged in the crucible of adversity, begins to reassert itself. They find ways to quiet the voices of doubt, to challenge their own fears, and to reclaim their sense of agency. The dream, once a distant mirage, gradually comes back into focus, its outlines sharper, its colors more vibrant. The dreamer's path, though still fraught with challenges, is once again illuminated by the light of hope. As the dreamer emerges from the depths of self-doubt, they begin to seek solace and support in unexpected places. They turn to books, art, music, and nature, seeking inspiration and wisdom from sources beyond their immediate circle. These connections, forged in the crucible of adversity, become a lifeline for the dreamer. They offer a sense of belonging, a shared understanding of the challenges and triumphs of pursuing a dream. They provide a safe space for vulnerability, a place where the dreamer can shed their armor and accept their true self. These relationships, built on mutual respect and encouragement, empower the dreamer to overcome their fears and insecurities. In the company of these unlikely allies, the dreamer discovers a renewed sense of purpose. They realize that they are not alone in their struggles, that others have faced similar challenges and emerged victorious. They learn from the experiences of those who have gone before them, gaining valuable insights and perspectives. The dreamer's path, once a solitary journey, now becomes a shared adventure, a collective effort towards a common goal. Empowered by newfound support and a renewed sense of purpose, the dreamer faces a pivotal moment, a crossroads where their resolve is put to the ultimate test. An unforeseen obstacle arises, a formidable challenge that threatens to derail their progress. It may be a loss, a setback, a betrayal, or a seemingly insurmountable hurdle. This crisis, unexpected and daunting, forces the dreamer to confront their deepest fears and insecurities. In this crucible of adversity, the dreamer's true character is revealed. They are faced with a choice: to succumb to despair and abandon their dream, or to dig deep and find the strength to persevere. The weight of past failures and present doubts bears down upon them, but the dreamer, fortified by their experiences and the unwavering support of their allies, refuses to give in. With courage and determination, the dreamer confronts the obstacle head-on. They draw upon the lessons they have learned, the wisdom they have gained, and the resilience they have developed. They make difficult decisions, take calculated risks, and push themselves beyond their perceived limits. The dreamer's journey is no longer a linear path, but a winding road filled with unexpected twists and turns. Against all odds, the dreamer's unwavering belief and persistent efforts culminate in a pivotal breakthrough. The obstacles that once seemed insurmountable are overcome. The challenges that once appeared insurmountable are conquered. This triumph, hard-won and well-deserved, marks a turning point in the dreamer's journey. It's a testament to their resilience, their resourcefulness, and their unwavering faith in the power of their dream. This breakthrough, however, is more than a personal victory. It's a ripple in the fabric of reality, a catalyst for change that extends far beyond the dreamer's own life. It inspires others who were once skeptical or unsupportive to reconsider their own beliefs and limitations. It challenges the status quo, disrupts the established order, and opens up new possibilities for those who dare to dream. The dreamer's success becomes a beacon of hope, illuminating a path for others to follow. The dreamer's journey, once a solitary pursuit, now becomes a movement. Their story, a testament to the power of perseverance and the triumph of the human spirit, resonates with people from all walks of life. It inspires those who have faced rejection, doubt, and adversity to accept their own dreams and aspirations. It empowers those who have been marginalized, underestimated, and overlooked to claim their rightful place in the world. The dreamer's legacy extends far beyond their own lifetime. It becomes a source of inspiration for generations to come, a reminder that even in the face of overwhelming opposition, one person's unwavering belief can change the world. Their story is etched into the annals of history, a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit to overcome adversity and create a better future for all. The dreamer, now a beacon of inspiration, reflects on their journey. They look back at the trials and tribulations they faced, the doubts and fears they overcame, and the unwavering belief that sustained them through it all. They recognized that the opposition they encountered, the naysayers who doubted their abilities, and the obstacles that stood in their path were not merely impediments, but catalysts for growth and transformation. In the crucible of adversity, the dreamer discovered their true strength, their resilience, and their unwavering commitment to their vision. They learned that the path to success is not a straight line, but a winding road filled with unexpected twists and turns. They realized that the most fulfilling journeys are not always the easiest ones, but the ones that challenge us to grow, to learn, and to become the best versions of ourselves. The dreamer's journey, once a testament to personal perseverance, now evolves into a source of inspiration for others. They share their story, their struggles, and their triumphs with the world. They become a mentor, a guide, a beacon of hope for those who are still navigating the treacherous path of pursuing their dreams. The dreamer's story resonates with those who have faced similar challenges, offering solace, encouragement, and a roadmap for overcoming adversity. Through their words and actions, the dreamer creates a ripple effect, a wave of change that washes over the landscape of human experience. They challenge the status quo, inspire innovation, and ignite a spark of hope in the hearts of those who have long since abandoned their dreams. The dreamer's legacy is not merely a personal achievement, but a catalyst for collective transformation. In the quiet moments of reflection, the dreamer comes to a profound realization. The opposition they faced, the doubts that plagued them, and the challenges that tested their resolve were not merely obstacles to overcome, but integral parts of their journey. The naysayers, the skeptics, and the critics unwittingly fueled their determination, pushing them to strive harder, dig deeper, and reach for the stars. The dreamer understands that the path to success is not a solitary endeavor, but a collective effort. They acknowledge the contributions of those who supported them, encouraged them, and believed in them, even when they doubted themselves. Accept your dreams, even when the world doubts you. Let the naysayers fuel your determination, the obstacles strengthen your resolve, and the challenges ignite your passion. Remember, it will come to you, even if everyone is against you.